Previously on
oil.
Hi. Good. How are you guys? This past Friday, September 23rd, my grandfather died. Bye, Carter. Bye. Thanks for visiting me.
Damn ready. Yeah. I'm gonna tell you new poem that I wrote.
Me no know about league, cause we name World Cup. And none of them no like how we hotter than thermos. Me see, they don't like when get a youth shell the world up. Whoa! Where them a go do ya now?
Carter, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. What are you looking at? Look. Look. Carter. Look. Look. Yes. Party. Hi. Sam finally get to meet Auntie Zoe. Yes. Daddy. Aren't you so cute? She's just getting her hair done, but just be like. Hey guys! Oh my god! I am so happy! Okay, it's Monday. Why is this on? Hold on. Oh. Okay, it's Monday. What month we now again? Monday, October 10th. I don't know if you guys can see me right now. But yeah, it's Monday, October 10th. I'm gonna go pick up somebody right now. I'm so excited. I'm going to the airport. Oh god, I'm so excited. Oh god, I'm so freaking excited. I'm so freaking excited. I can't wait. It just means I'm that much closer. Oh god. Oh god, I'm having such anxiety, you guys. Don't even understand. Like, these last 2 weeks of life have been super stressful. Now I've lost my wallet. I've lost my bag. I cannot find my bag. I cannot find my friggin' wallet, which is super weird. Oh, it don't make no sense to me at all. But yeah. I will see you guys when I get to the airport. Until then, get to the airport. I'm so excited. I can't find my fucking wallet. Like, I can't find my bag. This is so weird that I can't find my bag. I took out $10 out of it today to do laundry, so it should be at home because I don't remember bringing it down here. But where the fuck is it? So weird. I hate when that shit happens to me, yo. When I just use something and now I can't find it. And I want to slush, man. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? It's Thanksgiving in Canada today. Happy Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving Monday or whatever. Something like that. Oh my god, I hate this light. Like, why don't they just make everything that's going in like this, the opposite direction, just go at the same time, and then we go at the same time. Anyways, let me call him and tell him to come out. He's bright though, but I wish try me tell it. Me say I wish try me tell us a minute. I asked you, are you outside or inside, my nigga? Don't give me no attitude. Them yard people here, them when they come a foreign and they switch, they catch like a attitude. You understand? Him free paper soon bun say better. You understand? Wallets. Oh shit. Did I just tell you guys who it was? Oh shit. Can't include that part in the vlog. But yeah. This person was just very rude. Terminal 1, Terminal 3. Oh my god. I just went to the wrong place. Fuck. I hate the airport, man. People soon come. Alright, I'm back on the right track. Ain't no gay lost now, bitch. Okay. It's probably got so long it take them to reach at this terminal, yeah?
Link up. Y'all you know me love it when you link up. Check me now the shots, pussy printer. Y'all a ball say the cocky make the tinker. Link up. Y'all listen to you straw in a pink cup. Them lucky say the car glass tint up. Till we meet again, keep in touch. Link up. Y'all you know me love it when you link up. Check me now the shots, pussy printer. Y'all a ball say the cocky make the tinker. Link up. Y'all listen to you straw in a pink cup. Them lucky say the car glass tint up.
Yeah, I'm here, you guys. Okay, they said A3, A2, A4. Never reach you now. You.
Look at me now. Who was this over there? Who was this? I see your boy dressed down.
Look, you guys, look who's here. Look who's here. Oh my
I see your boy dressed down.
Uncle John, you reach. You reach, you know.
Yes, sir. What is this?
Oh my god. Yo, I got lost. Where it was telling me to go is not where I was supposed to go.
Oh.
Okay, how do I get out of this place?
Yeah, man. Have a nice flight coming. Look, like I said,
Pilot?
Yeah, man. You tell us you can realize, man. Smooth takeoff, smooth flying.
Yeah?
I mean, not to get a feel plane daily just. I'm gonna say, oh, that's turbulence. Nothing to worry about. Slight.
I hope it's the same thing when flying over
God.
the Caribbean tomorrow. Or all these places that are getting licked. Yo.
But we're alright.
It should be good though.
Nice, man. I'm cool back to Toronto. I say, blood clean. Plane take long to land. Jesus.
For real?
Every time he comes up, I'm saying, yeah, they're good on board.
I know, right? I hate that. And then you see yourself getting closer, but it's still like
about 20 minutes. I still watch myself. They say see place. I'm like, good on me. I just not
reach.
Man, but yeah, alright still.
Me I go east.
So drive fast, man?
It's the highway.
Yeah, but I mean,
It's the highway.
watch out.
You're an idiot. Oh my god.
You say, now Lara upon one piece of the Lara no know something.
It's so funny because Daddy, I talked to Daddy yesterday.
You know, tell him.
No, and he was just like, so your uncle didn't tell Laura yet? I'm like, tell him what? You know, because I don't know if, if he knows anything either, right?
Ah,
So, right? No, he didn't.
Okay.
So he's like, because she thinks he's not coming down. I'm like, yeah, she doesn't know yet. He didn't tell her anything. But when you told me that she didn't know that you were coming, I'm like, shit, how am I gonna get from the airport? So I'm like, okay, let me call Daddy and tell him I'm coming. Yeah.
I'm gonna go call.
She was sitting down in here so sad and I didn't say nothing. Like, nothing. Wow.
I'll watch it now.
Yo, when you just learn off a video chat.
My God, you see how that can bring people together?
Oh my, I
My goodness. So is everything everybody alright?
that separate people.
Everything okay? Yeah, man, everybody has survived, you know? Yeah. Last year we go burn my mother don't get too. Yeah, she did last year.
Do I know that person?
Last year. I know. Oh my God, alright. Alright, man. He's on a bunch of people on there, right?
Yeah, uncle. Yeah, man, something like this, man. I want to chill a little bit with West and push up back tomorrow morning. I have a good flight coming down. I leave about 8.
Right now, man, more than happy, you know. Bring your pussy to me, choose it's cocky, now, young. Man, I tell us, me more than happy. What a blood clot body, me so happy, me.